Iceland eruption, fault line that was sleeping for 800 years has reawakened. Iceland's Reykjanes Peninsula witnesses a volcanic eruption, the second after seismic activity. Grindavik residents evacuated, homes damaged by lava. The eruption, though calming, poses risks. Keflavik Airport open, but Grindavik roads closed. European governments and airlines provide travel advice. Swift lava flow endangers Grindavik. Svartsengi volcanic system, dormant for 780 years, erupts, emphasizing the region's unpredictable volcanic activity. Scientists monitor for potential hazards.